Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Hot Wheels Braille Racer D-Twinmill, and number 4 out of 5 from Expert Motors, and number 85 out of 250. And yes, this is not a normal twin mill that you see every day basically, and basically every time in Hot Wheels you might only recognize one or few types of twin mills, but this is something different. This is the Braille version of the twin mill, and basically this is a collaboration between Hot Wheels and the National Federation of Blind. And basically, yes, this is an unusually seen blister, and as you can see, yes, it is in Braille, as you can see right here, and basically it says obviously twin mill, but yeah, it says whatever it's on the title obviously, but yeah, quite interesting. So let's go ahead and open this up. So let's talk about the car here first. So basically this is rather a simplistic type of car, because Mattel has basically well, they have removed the front windshield, as you can see right here. The first thing you see is basically no windshield, no windows, and second of all, basically the body is fully metal and plastic base obviously. So yeah, you can see that it is in metallic white, and you can see that the car has basically a lot of Braille so that people can understand what the car is and what is it about. So it's quite interesting what Mattel has done basically with the National Federal of Blind, which is quite interesting. Like people who don't know what the cars are, people can know by basically feeling the Braille so that they can know what car is this. But basically Mattel has only released one version of the Braille series, so hopefully we might see one or two more soon. Hopefully it would be nice to see more of these type of like Braille series cars. I do quite like these. I mean, like, it is helpful for people who are blind, people who may not know what car they get, like what car they don't know, and by doing this they can feel what car they get. Like basically they can feel by the blister of the card. Basically they can know what car they get. Oh, I got the Braille twin mill, something like that. So when they open it, they can basically feel all of the Brailles basically on the side of the car, the base of the car, and also the back of the car, so that they can know the information, the common information about the car itself. So yeah, let's take a look at the car itself and let me explain what does it basically mean. So here is the right side of the car. Basically you have bigger wheels at the back and smaller wheels at the front. And first things first, we have some Braille right here. We'll go from left to right because it would be weird if I say the right one first. So basically on the left it says twin, as you can already know. Yeah, if people who understand the Braille type of feel or sort of like language, I think. So if they do understand, they would know that this is actually twin and this means mill. So yeah, quite interesting what Mattel has implemented for this Braille series. I do quite like that they've done it with a car like this. Like, it's easier to know and feel what you are holding, and basically you can know the whole twin mill itself, which is quite nice. And yeah, that's for the right side. Obviously there's nothing on the front, and yeah, obviously you have the hood, and of course you have the two gray stripes, which yeah, looks quite nice. Obviously they have to stop here because this is the original, like in the original casting itself it has windshields and windows, but obviously in this version you do not. So yeah, quite good as well, so people won't like be surprised like what's this like window, there's like a window here. But yeah, for this version it doesn't. So yeah, pretty cool. You have the sort of like this engine. I think I don't remember much about the twin mill. I mean, like I do have some twin mills, but I don't remember much about it. And yeah, we have another Braille part right here at the back, and basically this one basically says 68, which quite a nice quite a nice information right there. 68 basically means like when Mattel is actually started Hot Wheels, and basically when Hot Wheels was born and made, basically 1968. You already know it. Basically all Hot Wheels collectors already know it by now. 1968, the birth of Hot Wheels, and they can know it by the back. And yeah, let's move on to the base. I think I've already explained all. Yeah, and there's more at the base, and as you can see right here, obviously the base can say right here it says Hot Wheels, but let me just read the base as per usual, obviously. So yeah, people who people who cannot see what the car is, they can actually feel by knowing that this is Hot Wheels, and basically they can know that, well, of course it's Hot Wheels. Yeah, you already know. So yeah, you still have that Hot Wheels logo though, even though it already says Hot Wheels right here, but still you still have the Hot Wheels logo, just in case if you're wondering. Yeah, it says Hot Wheels right there, and at the back right here it says made in Malaysia, and I believe down here, yeah, 2022 Mattel. Oh yeah, and I forgot, for the front it does say twin mill, but it doesn't say Braille twin mill, which I'm quite surprised of. They should have wrote there at least Braille twin mill, so like, well, people can at least know, because they have a lot of twin mills. There's a lot of versions. There's the twin mill 1, twin mill 2, twin mill 3. How are people supposed to know? And there's now the Braille twin mill, which I do not know how people are gonna understand, but it is what it is. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Braille twin mill. Overall, this is such an interesting fantasy casting that Mattel has implemented, something that is useful to the community, especially to those who are blind. They can know and understand more about the Hot Wheels cars, that basically they've implemented the ability to know what car did they got, basically the information, because they cannot see, they can at least understand by feeling, using their sense of course feeling. They can like use their fingers or so that they could properly understand what's the car they got, and basically understand everything they need to know. And yeah, that is my review of the Braille twin mill. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.